Welcome to our video on diabetes-friendly dining and how you can nourish your body through healthy eating. Living with diabetes doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor or enjoyment in your meals. With a few simple strategies, you can still indulge in delicious and nutritious food while managing your blood sugar levels. First and foremost, it's essential to be mindful of your portion sizes and choose foods that are low in added sugars and refined carbohydrates. Whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables should be the foundation of your diet. These foods provide essential nutrients and are generally lower in calories. Another important aspect to consider is carbohydrate counting. By monitoring your carbohydrate intake, you can better manage your blood sugar levels. Make sure to include a variety of carbohydrates from sources like whole grains, legumes, and dairy products. These foods will help you maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. In addition to healthy carbohydrates, it's crucial to include heart-healthy fats in your meals. These fats can be found in sources such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They provide vital nutrients and can help improve your blood sugar control. Don't forget about the importance of hydration. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help regulate your blood sugar levels, support healthy digestion, and keep your body hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Lastly, be mindful of your eating habits. Take the time to eat slowly and savor every bite. This will help you feel more satisfied and prevent overeating. And remember, it's okay to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally as long as you practice moderation. By following these guidelines and staying consistent with your healthy eating choices, you can take control of your diabetes and nourish your body from within. Remember, managing diabetes is a lifelong journey, and every small step towards healthier eating is a step in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.